Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix Frigidaire Dishwasher blue light blinking with beeping. The blue light clean sanitize light blink and the dishwasher keep to alert that there is an issue. Blue light and blinking beeping means error. Dishwasher stop mid-cycle. Let's see step-by-step solution of this problem or error. Step 1. Check the door latch. Make sure the door is closed completely. You should hear a click when it latch. If the latch is broken or misaligned, the blue light will blink and beep. Check water supply. Make sure the water supply is on. Check that inlet hose not tint and low water pressure can cause this error. After that, check drain system. Our cloth filter or drain hose can trip the error. Clean the filter at the bottom of the tub, then check the drain hose for cleans or clot. Step 4. Reset the dishwasher. Press cancel, close the door and wait for the beeping to stop. Then unplug the dishwasher or turn off. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes, then plug in back. Press start and select a cycle. Then run a test cycle. Run a short cycle, check if the dishwasher fill, wash, drain and complete. If the error returns, check the error code. Then check for error code and pattern. Count how many times the blue light blinked between pause. This tell you error code. Different model may have slightly different code. But step 7. Still not work and still not fix if the error continues. After all steps, the issue may be control board and pump or alive. Contact of Frigidaire support or a qualified technician. Or the common cause summary is door not fully closed and water supplies off, cloth filter, air wrap, control board, or losing wire. Here is the important safety tips. Always unplug the dishwasher. Do not bypass safety switch and if the water leaking, stop the cycle and fix the leak before using it. If your error not fixed, and you can also call on this number and go to their official website for more digital help and support. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.